They just got to clean up their act. I mean, the ocean is not a dumping ground. It's not a place for raw sewage from giant feedlots, and that's what these are.
How about other parts of the world where salmon, like let's say southern hemisphere? You have a couple farms in
Mm.
Chile, you have a couple farms in New Zealand. Now, salmon's not native to the southern hemisphere. I understand they tried to put salmon in New Zealand, and there's been a little bit of a success, but nothing to brag about. Am I correct about them trying to populate New Zealand with salmon?
Right, right. Well, the salmon farming industry there is also very controversial because of the impact it's having on the water quality. And there was just a news story today saying that some very rich philanthropist is offering $50,000 to anybody who wants to fight the industry down there. And in Chile, it's been disastrous for their artisanal fisheries because they release tons of waste per day. I mean, imagine a farmer that doesn't shovel his manure, just let it blow into the wind. There'd be this huge piles to the west and huge piles to the east, whichever way the wind blows. That's going on in the ocean, but we can't see it. It's drifting out of the pens in the order of tons. So even if there's no salmon, there's all this nitrogen and phosphorus that's being introduced, and that's what makes the toxic algae blooms that suffocate portions of the ocean.